Beat the traffic.
Bam, bam, ba 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 bam, ba ba bam, ba ba bam, bam bam, ba 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 bam, ba bam, ba ba.
Bam!
नमस्कार बंधुजान.
नमस्ते बंधुजान.
नमस्कार बंधुजान.
वणक्कम बंधुजान.
निशांबला बंधुजान.
खुशामदीद बंधुजान.
सत श्री अकाल बंधुजान.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बंधुजान.
अवसर इस बार भाई बदले बोले गए या अली बदल बोला अली बदल हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के दौरे में से फालतू बाबा.
And of course, myself, Faltu Rani, लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधुजानी.
आज रात बंधुजान का सोचा आज क्या होने वाला है तो कुछ हम लोग फिलोसॉफी करेंगे बंधुजान. आज है philosophical Fridays.
Philosophical Fridays.
Yeah, Faltani, क्योंकि I'll tell you why, right? आज actually if you look at the World Kindness Day है, right? वैसे तो हमारे always रहता है कि हमारे blood में है, you know, to be kind to people. हमारा philosophy वही है ना?
हाँ.
Because we love so much.
हाँ.
Philosophy का मतलब क्या था फाल्तनी? Tell me. What is meaning?
Philosophy का मतलब क्या होता है?
Philosophy, मतलब phil मतलब क्या होता है?
The love of life.
Right?
The love of the lesson of life.
Lesson of life. Are you talking about
something like that?
Oh
I think that's
God,
what philosophy
Father,
means.
it is the fundamental nature of knowledge, Father.
Yeah, the love of knowledge.
Yes.
The love of the nature of knowledge.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And well, I'll tell you what. I think if you look at philosophy, right, हमारे culturally हम लोग बहुत philosophical लोग हैं. हमारे आगे बहुत सारे philosophers थे, starting from our Lord Krishna, who we consider as the God, right, supreme. Vasudeva. No, he's Vasudeva, right? Yeah, Vasudeva. We think him to be the most biggest philosopher in the world.
Oh.
Yeah, and his message also was to actually start getting, his message was to be kind to people.
Oh.
Very important.
Okay.
And even for the matter, why Buddha, when he came up and think also, his message was that you got to be kind to people.
Correct.
He came up with the whole thing that you got to be kind. Kind is the only way to go. Mm-hmm. That's the only kind will survive, he said.
Well, yeah, because if you let someone else survive, that person also will let you survive, right?
Yes, tolerance is very important, Bhajan. First and
Yes.
foremost, it's good to be a human being, good human being.
Yeah.
And don't be there. If at all, you got to be, if you lost the election, take it gracefully and move on to the office.
Exactly.
I know you have the next 60 days to be in the office, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you got to make hell for other people, right?
Exactly.
Be kind to people. Spread the word of kindness. Probably, you never know. When you come back 2014, 2024, you might get re-elected.
Why will he come back in 2024?
Provided he gives a proper transition right now. You never know. He will compete, of course.
No, I don't think
He needs 2 terms, man.
Altu Baba,
Yeah.
he will not come back in 2024. He'll be very old.
Excuse me. What?
Yeah.
You don't know. Supreme Leader is not. Okay, fine. I don't want to say anything. People already are saying that he's such a wonderful, resilient person. He'll come back and everything. Talking about already. But first of all, for him to consider also, he has to first consider the fact that he's lost this time.
Yeah.
Which will be a big hurt on his ego, by the way.
Yeah.
But anyway, Bhajan, I'll tell you what. आज का message है to become a good human being first.
Exactly,
right?
Banjan.
That's very, very important. And ये हमारे philosophy में है.
बनेगा इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बने.
आज ऐसे कुछ wonderful philosophy गाने बजेंगे बजान. आप enjoy कीजिएगा. बस लुत्फ उठाइएगा आज के गाने का. गानों का.
इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा.
If any of you actually have not stepped out of the house for the whole day, let me tell you one thing. We are being very kind,
Yeah.
in actually trying to share what's happening outside. It's raining.
Yes.
It's raining.
अच्छा है अभी तक तेरा कुछ नाम नहीं है. तुझको किसी मजहब से कोई काम नहीं है. अच्छा है अभी तक तेरा कुछ नाम नहीं है. तुझको किसी मजहब से कोई काम नहीं है. जिस इल्म ने इंसानों को तकसीम किया है, उस इल्म का तुझ पर कोई इल्जाम नहीं है. तू बदले हुए वक्त की पहचान बनेगा. इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा. तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा. इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा. मालिक ने हर इंसान को इंसान बनाया. हमने उसे हिंदू या मुसलमान बनाया। मालिक ने हर इंसान को इंसान बनाया, हमने उसे हिंदू या मुसलमान बनाया। कुदरत ने तो बख्शी थी हमें एक ही धरती, हमने कहीं भारत कहीं ईरान बनाया। जो तोड़ दे हर बंद वो तूफान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा।
एंड बलजान, आज ऑन द डे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड काइंडनेस डे हम आपको बोल रहे हैं कुछ ऐसा कुछ करो जो रैंडम एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस करो। आई डोंट नो, probably if you're Jeff Bezos listening to us right now, why don't you just send $1 billion, not $1 billion, $1 million towards Pragnya? Why not, right? Random act of kindness.
जो रौंदे वो कदम तेरा नहीं है, नफरत जो सिखाए वो धर्म तेरा नहीं है। इंसान को जो रौंदे वो कदम तेरा नहीं है। कुरान न हो जिसमें वो मंदिर नहीं तेरा, गीता न हो जिसमें वो हरम तेरा नहीं है। तू अमन का और सुलह का अरमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा। तू हिंदू बनेगा न मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा।
And of course, Banjan, these are kind of wonderful songs we have in Indian cinema. In fact, our culture's got very good message for everybody out there. In fact, I'll tell you what, Faltani, do you have anything comes to mind for you when you talk about philosophical songs?
There's a lot of songs that come to mind, Alto Baba, which are some beautiful message bharit gaane.
Message bharit gaane.
Message bharit gaane. Total, like, in fact.
Message bharit gaane.
हाँ, आज सुबह तूने गाने का कीड़ा लगाया था, right?
Yes, yes.
That is the message that Mahima ji used to live, right?
Yeah.
That's the kind, but that's a song that everybody has heard, right? Like it's regular that we've heard. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार.
Wow, Faltani, very good.
Right, that's the particular song. So
Yeah.
it's a beautiful, beautiful song that what do you call? That's the song that automatically comes to mind as soon as you think about it.
Correct.
And then there's many such songs that actually, what is that song? There's one more. A lot of Raj Kapoor ji के गाने जो थे, काफी उनके गाने ऐसे मतलब total message.
No, yeah, quite a lot.
songs.
In fact, his movies to always have that message in it, right? Like either it would be a social message, like Rags, which is kind of story, or could be something like a person who talks about the what do you call that? I'm sorry, Father, turn my mic off for some reason. I don't know why.
I'm sorry.
My goodness. Anyway, but the thing is, हम hear one more song फिर राज कपूर की बात की तो हिल लीजिए, आपके लिए पेश है एक और तीसरी कसम. उस फिल्म में से एक सुपर डुपर गाना which talks about which actually will it apply in this current world, Faltani? I want to ask people this.
I was actually thinking of this song when you talked about Donald Trump.
Yeah, so I'm asking people out there, do you think this will work? Does it apply even now?
I think so.
कॉल करिए, बताओ 4089122179 पे.
झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है, न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है, न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है. सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो. तुम्हारे महल चौबारे यहीं रह जाएंगे सारे, तुम्हारे महल चौबारे यहीं रह जाएंगे सारे. अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे, अकड़ किस बात की प्यारे, ये सर फिर भी झुकाना है। सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है। भला कीजिए भला होगा, बुरा कीजिए बुरा होगा। भला कीजिए भला होगा, बुरा कीजिए बुरा होगा। वही लिख लिख के क्या होगा, वही लिख लिख के क्या होगा, यही सब कुछ चुकाना है। सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है। लड़कपन खेल में खोया, जवानी नींद भर सोया। लड़कपन खेल में खोया, जवानी नींद भर सोया। बुढ़ापा देख कर रोया, बुढ़ापा देख कर रोया। वही किस्सा पुराना है। सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है। न हाथी है न घोड़ा है, वहाँ पैदल ही जाना है। सजन रे झूठ मत बोलो, खुदा के पास जाना है।
And of course, यहाँ पे कॉल का नंबर है 4089122479। सिंगर मुकेश सफादर। तेरे हिसाब से ये आजकल चलता नहीं ना?
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा। कहाँ कहा? I said that this is what we should sing to our डार्लिंग, जो डार्लिंग नहीं, जो बैठा है व्हाइट हाउस में।
अंदर का जो ये आ गया ना डार्लिंग,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना।
सच अ लवेबल कैरेक्टर फालतू नहीं। सब लोगों को लगता है कि वो तो तम्पी
तो तम्पी यार, राइट।
What? Yeah, I don't know. But can you imagine again, Faltoni, the number, by the way, it's rounded off to 70 million, by the way.
Oh God, who cares?
No, you should
Who
care.
cares?
You should
No, I
care.
don't- I don't
Of
care.
the 100 people, 150 people who
Don't
actually are
care.
eligible to vote in America, there's a huge...
No, don't care.
There's a huge population.
No, don't care. Don't care. Do not care.
I really am thinking, Faltoni, are there people voted for him or do they vote along the party lines? What do you think? Nobody's talked about it though.
I have no idea.
People who voted this election, did they vote along party lines or did they vote along because the person on the seat right now?
See, they voted based on their philosophy.
Philosophy.
And that is why we're doing this show, Altwa, because unfortunately ये हिंदी शो है या इंग्लिश शो है, उनको समझ में नहीं आता है जिन्होंने वोट लगाया वहाँ पे।
Yeah. I'll tell you what,
उनको अगर हमारा शो सुनाई देता है ना, तो then they would have known where to vote.
सुनाई देगा, कान से सुनाई देगा, लेकिन समझ में
समझ में आता तो हाँ, exactly, समझ में आता तो then.
Definitely. But the point is, आज का show पे I'm going to put a song right now, Faturi, this is for a POTUS.
हाँ.
It actually is a message for him and also a message for everybody out there.
Oh really?
Yeah, people will not generally consider this to be as a philosophical song.
This
Yeah, what I'm going to play right now.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But definitely has a message for him specifically for POTUS.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
And number to call your buttons on 408-912-2479. Hello, namaskar, Pampa to Philosophical Fridays. Who's this? Hello.
This is Raj.
Raji!
Pam Pam!
Pam to you, sir. How are you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about you guys?
Wonderful. Long time since you heard your voice. Are you a first-time caller to our show?
No, I've called a couple of times.
I know. I recognize
I
your
have
voice.
listened to your show, but haven't called much.
How are you liking the show so far? Is it nice?
Oh, it's very beautiful. It's really nice and informative show.
Oh,
Thank
and
you
entertaining.
So much.
Raja,
Thank you so much,
Raji,
sir.
I want to tell you one thing. You got some great taste in radio programming, by the way.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
ओके राजी बताइए ना, हमने पूछा था कि क्या वो गाना जो हमने अभी लगाया ना, सजन दे झूठ मत बोलो, क्या आज के ज़माने चलेगा वो? Is that going to work in this time? आज के ज़माने में?
Yeah, it should work today in this world. Why not?
नहीं, आप शुड बोल रहे हैं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि होगा कि नहीं.
आजकल के ज़माने में
आप इसका
ऐसे
आप फॉलो
इतना
करते हो?
हाँ, इतना सच बोलना है, ये सब ठीक है?
या सच बोलना चाहिए, बिल्कुल सच बोलना चाहिए.
सच बोलना चाहिए बिल्कुल. एंड चलेगा ना, मतलब इट्स ओके टू टेल ट्रूथ, राइट?
Yeah, it is definitely okay to tell truth, but you should tell the whole truth, not the half-baked truth.
अरे वाह, I like that. I like that what you put out on there. Yes, the whole truth is what you require to tell, but
Not the alternative version of your truth.
yes, what's it
Yeah.
called again? They gave it a name, right? This particular
Alternative facts.
alternative fact, something they called it, right?
Kellyanne Conway.
Kellyanne Conway,
Yeah.
yeah. What a habit.
Yeah, it should be whole truth, not that like this version or that version, like
Hanji.
Bhartarani does it so often.
Oh, hello. What?
Yes, I'm the only person to tell the whole truth.
Oh yeah, right.
Yes,
that is
because-
not true.
Of course, yes.
That
but
is not
Rajji,
true.
I want to ask you one thing. आज philosophical Friday, तो philosophical गाने मतलब anything comes to mind for you which is like total philosophical song?
If you don't mind, can I say something? You know.
Oh, sure, sir. You can always say. Sure, please. Freedom of speech. है.
I have been listening to. I always listen to your show, you know, from last few years, and it has been really very good. But I always find you little bit biased. Sorry to say.
No, it's okay. No, sir. It's okay.
Sir, everybody has an opinion, sir.
No,
So-
it's fine.
Yeah, because like Pranturani, like you see, like I know where you stand on today's politics and Trump and all those.
Uh-huh.
things.
Uh-huh.
But look at this. Forget about who win or not win. Today,
Uh-huh.
the country is divided right in the middle. You
Uh-huh.
go any like it's 52, 51,
Yeah.
49.7, 43. So don't forget this, that half the people supported Trump.
Yes.
And
I agree
if,
with you.
if half the people supported Trump, Trump got more votes this time than Obama got in 2016.
Yes, sir.
And
So,
he got in 28.
yeah. So if
Oh,
you
sorry, yeah. Just count. Maybe he lost. I'm not doing that thing.
no, you
But
know.
then if like you should look at the other point of view too. There's like other part of the country too. I know in California, you know, everybody loves love to hate Trump. You know, that's totally
Yeah, that's a
understandable.
good. I like the way you
Totally
said it.
understandable.
No, Raji, I'll tell you. Raji, let me tell you one thing. You're 100% right. Most of the people in California love to hate Trump.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
Yeah,
not that.
that's the thing. That is the hypocrisy, you know.
Yeah.
So what is the hypocrisy?
Yes.
So these same people, I understand if you call them fascist, you call them racist, totally understand.
Yeah.
But then those same people will step the ground where Mr. Modi walks.
Well,
No,
sir,
no, no,
no,
no,
Raji,
they don't
but-
popular Trump.
Raji,
That's all. No, he's not even like a Palestine now, a side of a coin. They're both on the same side of the same coin.
So,
You can't dislike Trump. And
Raji-
you should have the same way about Mr. Modi.
Raji, I want to ask you.
These days, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
he's supporting the corporation and the big businesses. He's basically killing the farmers in Punjab. And yet, some people who hate, love to hate Trump, they will say Modi. What is this? Why
so-
this double standard?
Raji, I tell you one thing. I totally agree with you. In fact, the reason we do this show is because we want to have people to voice out their opinions.
Yeah.
And thank you for voicing it because this is the reality which we try to put out here. There's some people who are biased, some media is biased, but we are not. We actually talk
Yes.
both ends of the thing. If you notice.
Exactly.
But you're bad place. I'm sorry to say. You're like different. That Panther was clear about this. She's not Trump's very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Totally understand. I totally respect it. You have your views, I have my views. But then you should not be hypocrite. You have the same. But when she comes to like Mr. Modi, her voice will be like, I can see how much respect and everything. You
sir,
should have it.
I'll tell you.
Discrimination that-
Okay.
Okay. Raji, I'll tell you what. I agree with what you're saying. In fact, I would say आज का show जो है ना is philosophical Friday, so it's not political Fridays.
Yeah. and it's a moot point. At the end of the day, okay, can I say something? So at the end of the day, it's a moot point. If you say 70 million people voted for Donald Trump, 76 million people voted against, it is a referendum against him too, sir. So let's not get into the fact about whether it is Donald Trump, whether it is not Donald Trump. At the end of the day, it does not matter. Democracy needs to triumph at the end of the day. So it does not, please do not speak of Trump and Modi ji in the same breath. I do not believe in that. They're completely different individuals. and India and America completely different states.
Yeah.
Democratic states, thankfully, and we hope to keep it as a democracy
Yeah,
and not
well,
anything
India
other
is
than
a
that.
very young democracy, by the way.
Yeah.
It's a very young, whereas America is a very old democracy.
Exactly.
But Raji, I really appreciate your call. Thank you so much for actually chiming in. And yes, आप एक जाने से पहले एक गाना बता दो, which will be a nice philosophical गाना for us, sir.
Sorry, sorry.
No, sir.
नहीं
No,
सर,
no, no,
अच्छा
no,
हमें
no,
अच्छा
no.
लगता है
No,
सर,
no.
आप लोगों से बात करना
Little
अच्छा लगता है सर
little
हमें
bit like that's one like balance to you. That's
सर
all I want to say.
आप हमारे बंधु हो, तो you're like a family to us, so
You listen to us, sir. You bring us into your life every evening, which makes us so happy that you actually chimed in. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने कॉल किया
Yeah.
and you voiced your opinion. That's the beauty of a democracy.
Yeah, but लेकिन आप जाने से पहले मुझे आपको गाना दे के you should give me a song right now. Give me a nice song, philosophical song जो आपके ज़हन में भी आ रहा हो.
हाँ.
Nothing is coming. I'm so sorry.
No, don't worry, don't worry,
I
don't
still
worry.
love you, and Khalpurani, I love you, and I'll always listen to you.
Thank you.
Aw,
sir.
thank you so much,
But
sir.
I
We
have to
love you
get this
too.
off my chest from last. It has been holding me.
That's
from last
okay.
week.
No, sir.
That's fine.
Absolutely. Don't
Sorry.
worry at all. No, nothing. No. It's see at the end of the day, difference is that's the beauty. Actually, Raji, I want to share this with you. We've become so intolerant of differences today that we need organizations like Pragya that are in existence, which actually, spread the message of allyship and bandhutva and compassion. You can have your own opinion and you can still be somebody who can be compassionate to another individual.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
So it's the same thing.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we
Totally
respect
understand
each
that.
other. And every differences opinion में हो सकती है, differences दिखने में हो सकती है, differences abilities में हो सकती है. So that's the idea is to be inclusive as a society and not put each other down.
That is
That's the whole idea.
And that's a philosophy
That's the whole idea.
Yeah.
That's the whole idea. That's the whole idea. You started about the truth. That's what I said. Yes, truth should prevail.
Yes,
But
Yes,
in its totality.
absolutely.
Very true, sir. I agree with you. But कहाँ कौन बोलता है fruitfully, sir? But again, Raji, thank you so much. आप हाँ बोलो.
Well, okay, thank you. I got to go. I was driving.
No
I
worries.
just pulled on the side. But
Thank you.
I'm
Aw,
blocking
thank
the
you so
traffic, I
much.
got to go.
Really appreciate the call, Raji. Thank you so much. And again, drive safely, sir. बाहर मौसम थोड़ा slippery है because Badhujan, whenever it rains, please understand our roads are nice, but sometimes we also can be it's very dangerous. So drive very carefully, Badhujan. Everybody listening to us right now, the rains are here, good for us. We get water in California, but we got to be mindful about driving as well.
Right.
Now, speaking of driving, and a message for Donald Trump right now. Raji, I know you will hate me for this, but I'll play it anyways. Yeah, I give you both sides of the coin. I give you this side of the coin, head and tail also.
Correct.
But that's what you got to be. You got to be able to understand what is the ambiguity between what is this and that, right? But here's a message. But I really want to ask our bandhus, what is the other message you can take from this particular song, which people generally don't think is a philosophical song?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
बाबू समझो इशारे हॉर्न पुकारे बम 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 यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे बम 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 बाबू समझो इशारे हॉर्न पुकारे बम 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 यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे बम 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 आई Riba ba riba ba 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 riba ba riba ba 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 riba ba riba ba 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 riba ba riba ba ba बातों की एक बात यही है क्या भला तो क्या बुरा कामयाबी में जिंदगी है
And of course, Badhujan, see that thing? 100 बातों में एक बात सही है, right? हाँ, focus करो.
बोलो 100 बातों की एक बात यही है क्या भला तो क्या बुरा कामयाबी में जिंदगी है टूटी फूटी सही चल जाए ठीक है सच्ची झूठी सही चल जाए ठीक है टूटी फूटी सही चल जाए ठीक है सच्ची झूठी सही चल जाए ठीक है आड़ी तिरछी चला चला के झूम आड़ी तिरछी चला चला के झूम आड़ी चला चला के झूम तिरछी चला चला के झूम बाजू बाबू समझो इशारे हॉर्न पुकारे पम पम पम
ये था मेरा मैसेज फॉर ट्रम्प लेकिन आगे बढ़ो, ये मैसेज है सारे लोगों के लिए।
यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे, पम 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 डिरिडिरिडे दुरुडुरुडुरुडो।
हाँ, अगर आपने कभी सोचा है तो यार दिस इज अ फिलोसॉफिकल सॉन्ग, अरे सोचो इसमें क्या सीख है। अगर कोई कॉलर आज कॉल करके बताए कि इसमें क्या सीख था, इवन वन, काफी सारे हैं, लेकिन एक सीख हमें बताओ कि क्या था फिलोसफी इन दिस सॉन्ग। 4089122479।
इतने सी बात न समझा जमाना, आदमी जो चलता रहे तो मिल जाए हर खजाना। हाँ, इतनी सी बात न समझा जमाना, आदमी जो चलता रहे तो मिल जाए हर खजाना। शोहरत है चीज क्या, चलने का नाम है। इज्जत है चीज क्या, चलने का नाम है। शोहरत है चीज क्या, चलने का नाम है। इज्जत है चीज क्या, चलने का नाम। आड़ी तिरछी चला चला के झूम, आड़ी तिरछी चला चला के झूम। आड़ी चला चला के झूम, तिरछी चला चला के झूम। बाजू बाबू समझो इशारे, हॉर्न पुकारे, पम पम पम। यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे, पम पम पम।
क्या not able to find the philosophy? I know it's a fun song, but philosophy ढूंढो मिल जाएगा। गौर सुनिएगा, कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे।
हिल मिल के चलना यूं ही साथी, ओए बंधी मुट्ठी लाख की और खुली तो प्यारे खाक की। हिल मिल के चलना यूं ही साथी, और बंधी मुट्ठी लाख की और खुली तो प्यारे खाक की। मुश्किल जो आ पड़े होकर से टाल दे, पर्वत भी हो खड़े हिल मिल के टाल दे। मुश्किल जो आ पड़े होकर से टाल दे, पर्वत भी हो खड़े हिल मिल के टाल दे। जो समझाए उसी की मची धूम, जो समझाए उसी की मची धूम। जो समझा उसी की मची धूम, जो समझा उसी की मची धूम। बाजू बाबू समझो इशारे, और पुकारे,
Bum, bum, bum. I don't love this. I don't want to like the song already.
Actually,
have you seen the movie?
Yes, I have.
Oh, but please
Yes, I
don't
have.
miss it. It's a wonderful movie.
Yeah.
It's called Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. And aaj hai, of course, it's a show called Philosophical Fridays.
Yes.
And people generally would not think of this song to be a philosophical song, but actually it is.
It is. Think about it, Banjan. पहाड़ी भी खड़ा हो जाए तो हिल मिल के हटा दे,
हटा
kind
दे,
of thing, right?
together.
अभी हमारे सामने खड़ा हुआ है
क्या?
कोरोना का पहाड़।
Arey, yes, that's true. We
That's
have to come
true,
together,
Baljan.
but I'll tell you what. It's a second wave is what they're saying.
Yeah.
And it's going to be really bad is what they're saying also. And second thing is what's happening over here is our California state has given the reins in the hands of the counties.
Yes.
And counties are deciding what to do about the virus thing and what to do about the whether to shut down again or whether to just reduce restrictions or whatever it is. But the point I'm making here is let's all get together. Let's think of each other and start practicing I know many of you are doing it. Thank you so much for that. People wearing masks or going to places wearing masks and everything, washing your hands, staying healthy. Thank you so much for that. Let's continue doing that for some more time. Abhi tak to, December, what they say, if at all everything happens like how super speed, we'll have vaccines coming in December, but still we don't know.
But I do want to mention, Rajan, I know many of us meet, many of our bandhus, I've seen many of the folks who have started, like, I know it's getting frustrating and tiresome, कि you don't want to be stuck at home, तो लोग party वार्टी कर रहे हैं, people are meeting. Please remember that you're still exposing people to COVID. If you're not careful, it's going to be a really, especially with the Thanksgiving coming up and Christmas, it's the worst time of the year to be congregating because It's this is the peak, the second peak that they're saying of coronavirus that's going to be hitting. So it's really, really scary considering. And by the way, we are Santa Clara County. We just got an advisory, Bandhajana media advisory that came out that they are going back into red tier. And if you're not careful, by midweek next week, we'll be back in the purple tier.
My goodness.
Yeah,
Okay.
so-
But we have a caller waiting line. Father, let's go to them, please. Hi,
Yes.
Namaskar. Welcome to the Pam Pam Show's Philosophical Friday. Who's this?
नमस्कार रंजीत भाटिया।
रंजीत भाटिया साहब, कैसे हैं सर?
बस ठीक है।
बस ठीक है, क्यों, क्या हुआ? सब ठीक है ना? और
मेरा दांत निकाला है आज।
अरे रे, ओके हाँ।
क्या?
दांत निकलवाया आज।
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry you're in pain. I
Yeah.
hope you feel better. थोड़ा स्माइल करो।
सुबह से अभी बोला हूँ आपके शो में मैं।
अरे वाह, थैंक यू सर। सुबह से एक मिनट है, फालतू जब अपना फोन बाजू रख। एक मिनट अजीत साहब, ये फोन बाजू रख, सुन, यहाँ पे सुनो।
हाँ, सुन रही हूँ, सुन
माय
रही हूँ।
गॉड, मल्टीटास्किंग करती है फालतू नहीं, कितनी क्या क्या करती है तूने सच्ची में यार।
ये बता,
इधर शॉपिंग करे, उधर बाइंग करे, इधर क्या करे वहाँ
तू
पे?
देख लेना
Expression
तेरा
करे।
कैसे करती हूँ तेरा बाद में।
तेरा कैसे
हाँ,
करते हो बाद में?
हाँ।
आज है
आगे
वर्ल्ड
बताइए,
काइंडनेस डे। World
बताइए
Kindness
बताइए रंजीत सिंह भाटिया साहब, आप कुछ कह रहे थे।
ऐसे गाने पूछ रहे हैं, गाने तो ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं।
हाँ।
जैसे वो गाना है ना सर झुका के जियो ना मुंह छुपा के जियो।
वंडरफुल, यस।
और दूसरा है गाँव मेरे मन, चाहे सूरज चमके चाहे लगा हो ग्रहण।
वेरी ट्रू।
और अपना भला करने वाले भलाई किए जा, बुराई के बदले दुआएं दिए जा।
एग्जैक्टली सर, अभी ये जो गाना लगाया हमने बाजू समझो इशारे, हॉर्न पुकारे,
हाँ।
उसमें आप एक सीख बता दो जो आपने निकाला। वन
ये है कि अंत भला सो भला, अपनी धुन में अपने अच्छे काम करके चलते चले जाओ और बुराइयों पे ध्यान मत दो, तो अंत भला सो भला, सो आखिरी में अच्छा ही होगा। अच्छाई की हमेशा जीत होती है।
करेक्ट, जो कर रहे हो तो करते रहो, मतलब
बुरा आदमी हमेशा ही हारता है, अच्छा आदमी वो रास्ता कठिन होता है लेकिन आखिरी में जरूर जीतता है वो।
वेरी ट्रू एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर, परफेक्ट। एंड आपने अच्छा गाने भी दिया, हम लगाएंगे। वी आर कमिंग टू द क्लोज ऑफ अ शो ऑलरेडी, बट मैं जाते एक सुपर डुपर गाना लगाऊंगा बिकॉज़ आज है वर्ल्ड काइंडनेस डे।
हाँ जी।
तो आई हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग फॉर दैट। डू यू नो व्हाट सॉन्ग इट इज अबाउट काइंडनेस?
इंसाफ के डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के।
वेरी गुड, वो जस्टिस हो गया।
हाँ,
राज कपूर का एक सुपर डुपर गाना है,
राज कपूर साहब का ही है।
धर्म करम फिल्म का एक गाना है, आपको याद है?
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल।
अरे वाह,
वेरी ट्रू।
RSB साहब, वाह।
हाँ, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल, एग्जैक्टली। एंड दैट्स व्हाट द मीठे बोल है ना, द मीठे बोल, यू गॉट टू कीप इट लाइक स्वीट।
बिल्कुल,
गल्ला गुड़िया करते रहो। बट रंजीत साहब, थैंक यू सो मच। आप, आई होप यू फील बेटर। आइसक्रीम खाओ जितना हो सके।
हाँ जी, एंड आपको हैप्पी वाली दिवाली
Yes.
एंड बंदी छोड़ दिवस, एंड टू एवरीबॉडी हु इज लिसनिंग टू अस, विश यू ऑल दिस इज द ईव ऑफ दिवाली फॉर
Yes.
हियर इन अस इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स।
आपको भी सेम टू यू, और सभी सुनने वाले दोस्तों को सभी को मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी दिवाली।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. तो Altu, thank you.
या आलतू क्या बोल, क्या
गाना
what-
लगाने वाला है?
लगाऊंगा ना फालतू,
लगा,
कुछ
लगा।
बोलने वाली है ना, तो बता। तो
हाँ,
बता,
हाँ।
और बोल दे।
क्या
On
बोलूं?
this kindness day, be mean to me, doesn't matter, बोलो।
I don't have to say anything to you, Altu Baba.
अच्छा?
हाँ.
Oh my God.
So enjoy कीजिएगा बंदीजान this beautiful song that we're going to leave you with. Remember to light the lamp of love and compassion in your hearts, बंदीजान. That's what's really, really important this Diwali. And let's spread the light and the joy of love and compassion and allyship.
एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। तुझे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला ला ला।
इसी के साथ मैं जब बोलने वाले आप लोगों को कि हैव अ वंडरफुल फैंटास्टिक फ्राइडे।
And we will see you back here very soon, Banajan. Stay tuned for Mahima's Anmol Nagme. We'll be saying good night, Shabak Khair.
एंड प्यार भरा
Mwah.